Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is created today. Anyway, I'm Vidun. Today we are going to talk about the most annoyed, most hated subject module of any computer science student, which is data structures and algorithms. But don't worry, I'm going to talk about from A to Z about data structures and algorithms, including linear data structures, nonlinear data structures, and algorithms. All right. Imagine you walk into a kitchen super hungry, ready to whip up something delicious. But oh no, it's chaos. Cereals in the fridge, ketchup in the pantry, and for some reason, there's a shoe in the fruit bowl. Finding anything would you take forever, right? This is like having a data without structure. It is a hot mess. That's where data structures come in. They are like your kitchen organizer, spice racks, cereal boxes, and of course, rusty shoe rack. For shoes, not fruits. They help us store data neatly so we can find what we need without tearing our hair out. For data structures, we have got arrays, linked list, stacks, queues, and basically the kitchen organizers of the coding world. Each one has its file, and using the right one can make your coding file a lot easier. Mm, Now let's talk about algorithms. Think of them as the driving directions you give someone get to a house. If your directions are like just turn left somewhere after that big tree, uh, something like that, your friend might show up in next year, like in this very old and slow car. But if your directions are on point, like turn right at the McDonald's, then turn left at the clock tower, they will be there in no time, like in this speedy sport car. Algorithms are those directions for computers. Whether you are sorting a playlist by your favorite song or searching your best pizza places nearby, algorithms help you get there fast. The better the algorithm, the quicker you get to your answer of pizza. And I wish YouTube algorithm will also help me out here. In this series, we are going to demystify data structures and algorithms, make them relatable, and hopefully a little fun. Whether you are totally a new or need a refresher, I have got your backs. So if you are ready to dive into the nerdy goodness, stick around and let's do this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And maybe comment below your favorite pizza topping. Because why not? See you in the next video. Bye.